In this short video, I'm going to show you some of the brilliant and engaging activities that you can build into a Nearpod presentation. So first of all, I'm going to open up the app and tap on my library. Here we can see all of the Nearpod presentations that I've made previously, but we're going to edit this STEM presentation because I've started it but not finished it. So I tap on edit, it takes me to the web page version of Nearpod, and then I can start adding to it. Now it works on a slide by slide basis, so I'm going to add some more slides. We're going to have a look at add content first. Now within add content you'll find a load of engaging and interesting ways of adding meaningful educational media content to your presentations. So for example, let's have a look at Field Trip. Now Field Trip enables you to add 360-degree camera VR settings into your Nearpod presentation. So for example, I would like my children to see a space station within this STEM presentation. So I'm going to choose this one and press save, and then that adds this piece of content as a new slide. So let's go back to add slide and we'll have a look at the other side of the coin, and that's add activity. Now the activities give the teacher a chance to embed some assessment elements to their Nearpod presentation. If the children take part in any of these activities that are listed here, the teacher will be able to get meaningful assessment data from them just taking part in the activities. So for example, you could embed a quiz or a poll. I'm going to just add something a little bit more simplistic. I'm going to add a draw it board. Now the draw it boards are just basically digital whiteboards that the children can interact with and draw on and send things back to the teacher with. In this case, I'd like the children to draw anything that they think might have been programmed within the Space Station VR video. So I type in the instructions and I press save. So there you go, it's really quick and easy to create engaging multimedia presentations on Nearpod.